All right, so let's review descriptive text before we go. We talked about how descriptive text is where the author uses your five senses to describe something in the text. In this story, May Among the Stars, I noticed that her mom described the earth. She said the earth has flowers, the grass, the forest, and the mountains. We also had where May made a astronaut costume out of an old orange curtain and a cardboard box. And then there was a part in the book. May was dreaming and she was dancing in space surrounded by billions of sparkling stars. So that is how the author used some descriptive text. Closure. Let's close out this lesson. Important takeaway. May was the first black astronaut. This means that before her, many thought it was impossible for a black woman to become an astronaut. Even though she had never seen it done, May followed her dreams and made history. Because of her, many other people were inspired to reach for their dreams, even when no one who looked like them had achieved it yet. So that means that you can be whatever you want to be. As long as you are willing to work hard, no one can stop you. That is our theme of the day.